Now, how can you optimize battery life on your Android? Let's get into it. So your Android phone most definitely has some battery settings, and if you want to improve it or at least optimize it, here is what you need to do. At first, open up the settings app and you can find the battery and a device care section right there. It might slightly differ from your particular device, right? It might be titled a little bit differently, but even if you look up the battery in the search, you'll be able to find this. And essentially you have like optimize now button right there, but you can go to the battery section right away. And if you want to quickly just save some battery life, enable the power saving mode, right? That's kind of useful. But below it, you have background usage limits. And this section is a great way to optimize your battery, right? Because you have, for example, the put unused apps to sleep, which is very useful. If you don't use those apps, you don't need them to require any kind of power, right? So have that turn on. You also have some sleeping apps and deep sleeping apps, and you can add them to the list, right? So there are some different lists and settings which you can tweak in here. Right, so that is just one approach. Outside of that, when you return back to the main page in the settings and find the apps section, in there you literally can find every single app listed in here. And if there are some applications which you would like to optimize specifically, you can tap on those. Let's say it's going to be literally anything, like it might be a game or whatever. And in there, you also have the battery section. So there are three options for each application installed on your phone. You have the unrestricted, optimized, and restricted. So you can read the description, but essentially you get to pick how the app can access and use your battery. And if you choose it to be restricted, well, the app will not be able to run in the background and it may not work as expected in terms of like notifications and accessing the internet and stuff. But yeah, if you choose it to be optimized, it's probably the best way for most apps, but the other ones, you can tweak it according to your preference. So that's it. Thanks a lot for watching. I honestly hope that I can help you with this. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and explanation guides like this one, and I'll see you in the next tutorials.